All right, just updated the software for the Tesla Model Y 2022.36.6, and we are having issue with the Hansshow auto presenting door handle. It stay lit on for the front passenger side. The rear one sometimes it's on, sometimes it's off, but right now it's working. So the rear is working. The front one is not, but don't worry, you still can manually open it. Okay, it still closes like normal for soft closing. So the front two door stay on. The rear one seemed to be working. Okay, so the rear one works normal. The front two doors doesn't work. So Hansshow do provide a updated or software. You need a hardware though. You need between 8 to 16 gig micro SD, and all you need to do is plug this into the actual module, and when you plug in, before you plug in the micro SD, just unplug the power. So the module that you install down there behind the front footwell, just unplug the power, plug this micro SD in, let it update, and then unplug the power again. Take out the micro SD and plug in the power, and it should fix itself. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, what you want to do first is go ahead and take off the top cover here. And then after you take off the top cover, go ahead and pry this cover on the side here, plus this one. After you take that cover, pull back on this rubber trim. So it's the bottom, you're gonna have to lift this part up. But before you do, there's a clip right there. As you can see there, there's the clip. And then after you take that clip off, you pry this seal up. And there's one more clip there. After you pull that clip off, you can pull the rug back and your module should be sitting behind this carpet. Okay, pull this carpet back. And here's your module. So the micro SD goes in there, but before you put the micro SD, unplug this power first. Now put in the micro SD with the updated Hansshow software. Just like that. Now plug it back in. Okay, so software's updating. Let it sit for about 15 seconds. And then after about 15 seconds, unplug, take off the micro SD, plug it back in, and you're good to go. And then put everything back. It's as easy as that. Now it's working like a charm. Front door's working again. Soft door closing. Now lights is off. Same thing for the front doors. The rear door's been working the same. And that's how you troubleshoot the software update. So thanks to Hansshow for figuring this out promptly. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Catch y'all next time.